as you can see, I installed rockwool in between the wood studs, and then now on top I will install one layer of OSB. You can install drywall as well. Drywall actually has better sound insulation capabilities, but for me OSB in here is better, because then I can install like stuff more easily, like a sink and shower stuff and the toilet and all the pipes. So that's why I'm using OSB. And so I mentioned double wall, so this is like one wall, and I will add one structure with metal beams, metal posts actually. You will see it later. So all these pipes will stay inside the structure, but the main goal is to separate the two walls. So yeah, that way I can guarantee better sound insulation, and hopefully my neighbor can sleep better.